yeah, my life. Right. Lately I've been living on a highlight. I've been up so high cause this my lifestyle. One thing I'ma tell you about my life. God send a light and it shine down.
I've been running out of reason not to pray. I've been trying to find a time to meditate. I've been trying to tell myself that I'm okay. I think I'm finally on the way. I know the devil be plotting on me, but God got me. I know it's angels surrounding me, all they stay on me. I know my mama's prayer is stronger than any army. Throw any weapon my way, man, you can't harm me.
Yeah, living high life in these trenches, time to skydive. Put my hand up to the Lord, now that's a high five. Finally made it out that water like I'm tie-dye. Used to move like action figures, now we life size. Got no shame, I'm brat that Chick-fil-A to Popeyes. Never worry about clout, need to watch your mouth when you talking about Jesus. But we ain't got no time to